to mac a panu buté en jelly sandwich. Te panu buté en jelly sandwich, affectionately à la PBJ, y a tasty American staple en mac cake, easy lunch or snack. You can have it the traditional way or you can get creative pull of fun, tasty try in it. So making a basic sandwich to get started with your delicious sandwich. Ingrédients. Bread, usually 1 or 2 slices per sandwich. Panu buté. Jelly or jam. Making a basic sandwich. Collect your ingrédients. You will want panu buté, some jam or jelly, and some bread. You may also want to grab some buté, a buté can on set flavor of the sandwich. There are lots of different kinds of bread and spread to choose from, so you'll have to do a little experimenting to know what you like. Lots of type of panu buté come with lots of added sugar and partially hydrogenated altar bad for your health. If you're looking for a healthy option, try organic panu buté. Natural panu buté may have a layer of oil on top, but if you carefully stir it in when you open it jar and then keep the jar of panu buté in the refrigerator, the oil will no separate out again. Trarlo and lots of flavor for jelly and jam. The two most commonly used are grape and strawberry. However, you could branch out to a sharp taste like raspberry, or a mixture of several different kinds. For you bread you'll probably want something that doesn't overwhelm your hot flavor, like curry or sourdough, so you'll probably want to go for plain whole wheat or wheat. Spray a panu buté evenly onto a slice of bread using a knife. You'll decide how much panu buté you want, but if you're going to be taking the sandwich somewhere, you'll probably want to do a little light on the panu buté. Otherwise it will get very hard before you get to eat it. Stir your panu buté before to soften it and make it easy to spread on the bread slice. A note tip for spreading panu buté, especially the can with panu in it, to put some of the panu buté in a bowl en microwave for about 20 seconds. It will spread on the bread like soft buté. If you do use buté, you'll put butter on some slice of bread at panu buté, before you put panu butter on. Spread jelly or jam evenly on the slice of bread. You'll want to use a teaspoon or knife. Again, unless you're going to be eating it right on your really like jelly, try to avoid overwhelming your sandwich with jam. Press 2 slices of bread to jeter. To avoid having a panu buté en jam run everywhere, do it quickly. A good way to take about a slice at some time and quickly press them to jeter. Cut sandwich. The best way to cut sandwich is diagonal, from one corner to another, giving you 2 triangle shaped pieces. Otherwise, you can cut directly across the sandwich, leaving you with 2 rectangular shaped pieces. Enjoy your easy and yummy looking sandwich. Just make sure you wash your hands afterward, because you'll be certain to get the mixture of panu buté and jelly on them.